Hi, I'm Thiago, and I'm here with tutorial on 3XR for the Metaverse DAO bounty, and I will be showing you a lot of the features of this Web XR plus Web3 virtual galleries built on top of Mint-based JS JavaScript, and I will show you step by step and trying to guide you a bit of the process of creating virtual galleries in 3XR and all the features that are now existent. First, we're gonna start by connecting my personal wallet. You can connect your wallet here on the website. You go on connect the wallet. This gives you access to the most of the features of 3XR, and it will enable you to directly buy from the 3XR environment. So this is the landing space of 3XR. It's accessible by 3xr.space, our main web page and landing space. Here in this room you have a few different rooms and possibilities, where you can find a wall with spaces where some spaces are features, which means there's a few galleries, and these ones, for example, were from a bounty and are currently an exhibition here in this main space. You can find here access to create your own custom gallery in 3XR. Also on this side you find 4 accounts that are featured currently, and these ones featured, for example, will point in direction of near cribs, which I'm going to talk a bit later, which is a space for proof new project by 3XR to create unique galleries that can be used as personal spaces for you to showcase your NFTs. On this side, lastly, we have access to the marketplace and the near cribs minting space. We're gonna start by going into the marketplace. So in the marketplace you can find a lot of the last minted NFTs on Mintbase. So the latest listings for NFTs in Mintbase are going to be listed here in this marketplace, where you can find them and showcase them properly here. For example, here we have a few NFTs that were just created. You can view them and buy them. There's different ones and different types of media. For example, in this centerpiece, we have the 3 latest 3D files that were minted in Mintbase. On this side, we have the 2 latest creating galleries minted also. This side, other ones. So you have 4 of the latest Mintbase listed create things galleries in 3XR. For example, checking NFT in 3XR is quite easy. You just need to view the model. I'm gonna try and see this Marmasham 3D avatar here, and going inside the NFT itself and the showroom, you can check the model and buy it. Enter space, and as you can see, it's showcased here as it would be an image, an audio file, or anything. You can go here and buy it directly from your wallet. It will redirect you to your wallet, and you can buy it here, or you can go back to the store itself. Now I'm going to show you how 3XR creates automatically 3D virtual galleries for your Mint-based store. I'm gonna use as example MultiDAO store specifically, which has a wonderful use case and sells physical items, tickets for multi events, and redeemables from artists and the collective itself. You have here Mint-based store online, and you can check you have different items, some physical ones like speaker cabinets, books, prints, anything. But the cool thing that 3XR makes and creates automatically for every Mint-based store is a virtual gallery that's accessible in the virtual gallery button in Mint-based store. You have access to all of this, and any store created will have its own virtual gallery. Like I said here, it's auto-generated for the Mint-based store. It's a wonderful application for you to shop online via virtual reality. For example, you can see the NFTs itself in this virtual gallery. This is a print. This is a book, for example, tickets, and this is a past event. Another print. You can check on this page viewer the next NFTs sold in MultiDAO's bazaar, for example. They're loading. It takes a bit to load because most of the files are also have a media incorporated to them, and they need to load. For example, this is another page of items, like you have seen in the store. They are all showcased here. And if we go, for example, in that book, because I know it's still available, because you only mint the amount of redeemable items you have, since this is for physical goods. If you already sold all the prints, you shouldn't having the redeemable in infinite amount. For example, if you want to buy the book, just press view again, and now you're gonna have access to the description of it itself. It's a book with 100 poems composed by O Camões Preto. It's a poetry book, and you can buy it here, and it goes immediately to charge you in your wallet, in your near wallet, and afterwards you can then have this NFT redeemed in person in an event or with someone from the MultiDAO's team, and send it to you or give it physically. Now I'm going to show you a bit about the main feature currently of 3XR, which is the creating feature. From the landing space and main page, you can access it through this panel and this button that says for you to mint a new gallery in creating. You arrive at the main page of creating, which already is showing the latest creating galleries created. For now, we have 345 galleries already created in creating and minted to Near Protocol. As you can see, it has different teams, and for example, this means it was minted to the 3XR DAO, or for example to a wallet. Also, for you to access the minting space, you have to log in with your wallet. Mine is already connected, like I showed before. On this side, we have a few videos on how to create a gallery by Incubadora and Marmagé Foundation. And here you can access the creating, the minted ones, own it, or the templates available for each environment. For now, you have 9 galleries from the choosing of you, and these ones are the newest ones. And let's try now to mint gallery in our 3XR. When you arrive to the step 1, you'll be given the ability to choose a gallery template. The gallery templates have different aspects, environments, lighting, and can be adapted somehow to how you'd like to showcase your NFTs. Each one has a bit of a different theme and can hold up to different amounts of NFTs. For example, this one holds up to a maximum of 8 NFTs, 10, 20, 18, 7, 12, for example. Yeah. Let's choose here this one, which gives you the ability, this third one gives you the ability to showcase 12 NFTs. In this color picker, you're gonna choose the sky color for your gallery. So for now, I'm gonna choose blue because usually the sky is blue, and I think it's gonna be a good color for my gallery. And I can select my own NFTs or search for example, for a theme. If you want to specify anything in this creating gallery you wanted to create. I'm now searching for the theme nature, if it would be the theme, and it's going to search on Mintbase for any NFT with that name on it and description and anything related to it. For example, you can add another gallery with the name Mother Nature. For example, this is a creating gallery already. Flowers, for example, or images. You can load up videos if you want. Anything then the description is on the right side, and you can choose any from it. For now, I'm gonna select my own because I have different type of stuff there that I will showcase. I will be showcasing a 3D model of my own near crib, so I selected, and you can see already one NFT selected and the 6 royalty split. And I'm gonna open up and explain a bit the royalty split. The royalty split on these NFTs, it's going to be the owners and kind of the wallets that were decided when this gallery was minted, and will always be awarded some royalty when this creating gallery is sold. So you will always be awarding everyone from this creating gallery, this gallery we are creating, from it being sold to this NFT and royalty split wallets and the template creators, for example. And if we add the second one, you're gonna see automatically it didn't go up because most possibly the ones included are the same and that already was here. But if I continuously go and select more will be added to the royalty split. For example, I'm adding this multi-DAO ticket that I used in the Redeemer in Mintbase to buy. And for example, this DJ DAO Strictly Bowling NFT I had from the DJ I did there. And for example, also choosing here audio NFT, so I can have all the type of NFT types for my showcasing gallery to better show you how creating shows. For now, so this first step is now done. The NFTs are chosen. You could delete some, add some, but for now we will be going on. The step 2 is going to be for the number of copies of this token, of this gallery that you want to mint. You could mint multiple or just one, and there would only be one copy of this gallery itself, and the people would only have the ability to own one of these galleries. You can mint more, but for now I'm going to mint only one. The next choosing is where to mint this gallery, and this gallery can be minted to a DAO, to be proposed to a DAO, to the 3XR DAO, and there are multiple options of DAOs you could mint your gallery to. It would appear on the 3XR mint-based store, or your own store. For example, this is one of the stores I own as my personal wallet, because this is my own DAO mint-based store, so I have the ability to mint there, and it appears here because I'm written in the smart contract, and I'm gonna mint to here now, so I don't have to wait, because when you mint to a DAO, it's made a proposition to a DAO to be minted, and when the DAO accepts it, it will be minted. The council needs to vote for it to be accepted and minted. But for us not to wait, I'll mint it to my store. This option gives you the ability to to correctly choose if this space is gated, or meaning only the owners of this copy would be able to go inside the gallery. So if I minted multiple number of copies, for example 5, only 5 owners would be 5 owners, or anyone that owns the 5 would be able to go inside this gated gallery. But I'm not gonna go. I want to keep it open for everyone, and one gallery only. And going for the next step, this third step is a preview of the gallery, where you can preview the NFTs inside. So this is the gallery itself. As you can see, the sky is blue, as it should. And now you see here, this is one of the NFTs. The other one, you cannot click them because they are only on preview modes. And here you can check all these NFTs. It's well done, it's well put. There would be also NFTs here if you would have choose more NFTs, but for now only these centerpieces of this template are positioned with NFTs. I find it cool already. In the future, like I'm going to show you in the editor alpha feature, you will be able to choose where to position these NFTs, but I'm going to speak a bit more ahead about this. And going to the next step, and the summary. Here in the summary, you have the description you want to do. I'm gonna write the Metaverse tutorial 3XR by TRosario. And Metaverse 3XR. This is default, the NFTs that were chosen, and this will be the gallery first screen that presents the NFTs that are showcased in this gallery itself. For now, I find everything's okay. At the NFTs, relative splits, the ones I choose, everything's alright. And this title and description is very good for you to contextualize the concept of your creating. And now I'm gonna ahead and mint the NFT gallery. It's creating. It goes to the wallet for me to mint. As you can see, the price is almost none, or non-existent. So it's quite cool for you to have the ability to showcase your virtual galleries in 3D environments while sharing royalties. It's very good tool, 3XR. I'm going to the Mintbase store. As you can see, this is my own project store. I had another virtual gallery here from an event, but I have now the NFT in my Mintbase store, and for this one, I can open it up. So it's not for sale still, because it's not listed. The royalty splits and everything belonging to the IDs of it, the custom attributes, and the minter and the owner, the contract where it was, the store where it was minted. Now, to see this, you can go to the 3XR website to look inside the gallery itself. I'm going to click here, website, and it will redirect me to my 3XR space, giving with the title and the description I created. I'm inside the space, and as you can see, this was a video. I can view it. I can go inside. I have this one, which is a 3D model of my near cribs. I'm gonna explain a bit more afterwards. It's still loading, but you can see the 3D model a bit here, or yeah. This is a cool thing, and think of this feature. You can access more galleries via another gallery. So you could continuously create a path of galleries to galleries to galleries. So this gives you the ability even to showcase a gallery of galleries, or to continuously do a presentation or exhibit of a certain team or certain owners, which is really cool. This one I'm going to show you. For example, see, it's a bounded contest winners of June in 3XR, so you can now check other galleries. For example, here in this template, you can see every one of these ones are 3XR creating galleries, and you can check them. They are from multiple creators, which is kind of cool, and will give you the ability to go inside another galleries. I'm gonna leave now this. Go to again. As you can keep going, we can now see the rest of the NFTs. Redeem a ticket I got. My near cribs crib lists for minting. This is an audio NFT. I don't know if you can load the audio itself for this recording, but yeah, this represents one NFT I bought in Mintbase for the Dead Malphite plus Portugal Demand release. And this is the creating gallery I created, which is really cool. And you can always, for example, create in this video, go inside, check it. Yeah, and this was the my own DJ broadcast in Strictly Ball in the DJ DAO. Yeah, which is really cool. It was broadcasted in Crypto Voxels. It was really great for me to play also. I'm going to the gallery again, coming back. I have a mirror of myself here. And this is a cool thing where you temporarily are visible before going inside the space or not. It will disappear soon. Yeah, this is the great thing gallery I just created for this tutorial. And I'm gonna go now to the Mintbase store. And you can see now you can sell this NFT, list this NFT for a price. for example, as a normal NFT, because these galleries are NFTs itself, and there's one of one available. I can put up to rolling auction and simple sale for the amount of price I wanted, 1 year, for example, any kind of price. I will make a listing for example, confirm. Again, a really small fee for me to list this NFT. It's still loading, and the amount for you to mint and list NFTs is really small in the Near protocol ecosystem. And in Mintbase, you have a ton of features for minting, and that gives you the ability to have a really good ecosystem, and with really decentralized ways of creating economies and doing all kinds of stuff and use cases. For example, there's the physical items, there's tickets, everything's possible if you can manage. There's a lot of things. Okay, I'm gonna approve, so the listed will be done. It's approving my listing. Yeah. The transaction was successful. Visit store again. And now you can see this one is available to sell. You can buy this one again with 1 year. Anyone can buy this and can access the 3XR gallery. You could also visit it again, and even if you want, you can simply go here, copy the link, and send to anyone, and anyone could see this gallery also, because it's not a gated gallery, it's open to anyone. Again, in the creating page, you can now select an alpha feature still in developing by the 3XR team, where you can try out the 3D editor for the galleries. Connect the wallet, my testnet wallet, connecting. Yeah, now it's connected. I'm gonna create a space. Yeah, as you can see, this is still a new feature and still in development. So it gives you the ability to test only the feature itself. So it has a lot of data still, and it's not really well done. And you can see here a bit of the data inside of the gallery, but you can edit. And now it's going to show you how the feature is going to work a bit. When you are inside the gallery, you'll be given the possibility to choose a position, for example, save here, or you could save it, or just select one of the one NFT here in this testnet for the Gorilla shops, and it's a good thing to test it because I can put up and test a banana for scale, for example. But this will give you the ability to translate the position of the object and the NFT. Okay, you can even get it further or position it whatever you want. For example, this is the position. I put it a bit too ahead of the wall, so it's a bit weird now currently. So I'm gonna try and position it again. Yeah. And check the scale. I want to put up the scale more, and this is the scale in measurements. I can put up the NFT as I want, for example, this way or not. Anyway, I want. It's really cool. You're gonna be given a ton of possibilities. For example, I could change walls. Change wall. It would be really. It's gonna be a really cool feature in the future. It's in development still. You can also rotate. Ability to rotate anything you want, make it weird. The weird possibilities sometimes open up use cases. So anything you feel like it's faulty or buggy, don't feel like it's fault or buggy. It's a possibility to showcase something weirdly, artistically, or it's cool. I find it cool, these possibilities. And this is the alpha feature, which is really still in testnet, really in development. As you can see, it's V006 still, and really in development. But as you can see, you will be given a tons of possibilities in customization. Put up save, and the NFT itself will be just here. Closing. Yeah, and this is the alpha feature. Again, from the landing space, you can find the near cribs, and near cribs is a space for proof, new concept by the 3XR team, giving you the ability to own unique near cribs, which are virtual galleries by layer in unique characteristics with unique objects, and you can mint them. And you're gonna have tons of possibilities. There's a roadmap in this room where what we'll explain the phase 0, where we currently develop the cribs, the build of the communities, the crib spots, project collaborations, partnerships, and this website, this page, this place where we are, was launched. The phase 1, mint 100 VR ready generation 0 cribs, use cribs as personal spaces on 3XR. And the phase 2, it's where we are now currently, and all of this is still being developed. And here the phase 3. You can press this button to mint new galleries. For now, it costs 12 near to mint one more. I have already one, so I'm saving it for you to mint and get a new near crib for your own unique. And for example, if you want to see your own, like I have my own, you can check it via 3xr.space/my wallet, and you're gonna go inside my near crib and you can check it. It's a really cool space. My one's locked. No, it only has a lock as an object. And each one of these layers is unique. There's no galleries that are the same. In the positioning, in the unique objects, like this portal here with some weird drawings and cool drawings. There's a lock. There's the different layers itself, so it's really cool. And you be given the ability to showcase in these walls or ceiling or ground anything you want from your NFTs, and it's a unique, only you're gonna have this room, and it's my own, and it's a really cool feature. The generation 0 from near cribs, everyone should check it out. There's a ton of already minted, and you can check also any of the near cribs from each other by going online on social media and searching for anyone that has it. And the near cribs social media has the possibility to add to give you a ton of users and wallets that already have minted, and check them out. And rarity will be soon available for everyone to see. How rare is your gallery, how many objects, how many layers, the composition, the repetition, everything gives the rarity of the NFT itself, more or less. So this was Near Cribs. It's a really cool project using the PFP type of concept, but this time in spaces, virtual spaces, built by the 3XR team.